Pero kapag nag 8% ka, ang babayaran mo na lang ay income tax, 8%. So, what is the difference of 8% on your regular income tax? Percent actually is a bundle tax. Anong ibig sabihin ng bundle tax? Tayo pong, yung mga independent contractors po kasi, normally, dapat may dalawang tax ka. Ano yung dalawang tax mo? Income tax at saka business tax. Pero kapag nag 8% ka, ang babayaran mo na lang ay income tax, 8%. Pero kung hindi ka nag 8%, anong babayaran mo? Income tax plus business tax. And ano yung income tax mo? Either optional standard deduction or itemized deduction, and may business tax ka, which is normally percentage tax or VAT. Now, ano ang maipapayo natin sa inyo kung anong mas okay na gamitin? Depends on you. If ever, tingin ninyo na wala kayong masyadong deductions, then gamitin nyo yung 8%. Pero kung marami kayong deductions, gamitin nyo yung regular income tax. So depende kung ano yung mas best na option sa inyo depending on your transactions. Pero for less compliance, it is normally 8%. Because for RIT, mas marami tayong compliance. Ano yung mga compliance mo dyan? Meron ka pang expenses, meron ka pang business tax, kailangan mo pang mag-prepare ng iyong journals, mga ganon, kasi nga you need to keep of your you keep track of your expenses. But again, your 8% or your 8% or RIT, it's depending on your actual data or actual numbers. Determine first if ever what is more beneficial, is it 8% or regular income tax.